Welcome to Emily's exciting adventure. She's about to challenge herself by running 5K for the first time. Join her through ups and downs and learn English along the way. At home, deciding on the challenge.
Hey, Sarah. I've been thinking about something big lately.
Oh, what's on your mind, Emily? Tell me more.
I want to challenge myself by running 5K for the first time.
Wow, that's awesome. You've never run that far before, right?
Yeah, exactly. I'm a bit scared, but excited too.
Why do you want to do this now?
I need to push my limits and feel stronger inside. That's a great reason. It builds confidence. But what if I can't finish it? That would be embarrassing. Don't worry, everyone starts somewhere. You'll do fine. Thanks. What motivated you to start exercising last year? I wanted better health and more energy every day. Same here. Running might help me sleep better, too. Absolutely. Let's plan how you'll prepare for it. Okay, first I need a good training schedule. Start slow, maybe walk and run alternately. Good idea. And track my progress with an app. Yes, that keeps you motivated. You're going to rock this. Thanks, Sarah. Your support means a lot. Anytime. Let's celebrate when you finish the run. Deal. Now, where should I start training? Your local park has nice paths for beginners. Perfect. I'll go there tomorrow morning. Great. Remember to stretch before you run.
Shopping for gear. Preparing equipment.
Mike, I need your help picking running shoes today.
Sure, sis. What kind are you looking for?
Something comfortable for my first 5K run.
Okay, let's check these cushioned ones here.
Why cushioned? What does that mean exactly?
It means they have soft padding to protect your feet.
Oh, I see. That sounds important for beginners.
Yeah, prevents injuries when you run long distances.
How do I know if they fit right?
Try them on and walk around the store.
These feel good, not too tight or loose.
Great. Now about preparing your body for the run.
What should I do for physical prep?
Build stamina with short runs every other day.
Stamina, is that like endurance or strength?
Yes, endurance to keep going without stopping.
Got it. And eat healthy foods, right?
Absolutely, like fruits, veggies, and proteins.
Thanks, Mike. You're the best advisor.
No problem. Let's get these shoes for you.
Okay, and maybe a water bottle too.
Good thinking. Hydration is key during runs.
Hydration means drinking enough water, yeah?
Exactly. Don't forget to warm up before starting.
At the park, before the start.
Alex, I'm so nervous about this 5K run today.
Hey, Emily. First time? That's normal to feel that way.
Yeah, I've never run this far before.
You'll be great. Just take it one step at a time.
How do I manage my breathing during the run?
Breathe deeply through your nose and out your mouth.
Like this? Inhale, exhale. Feels better already.
Yes. And keep a steady rhythm to avoid fatigue.
Fatigue? That's when you get really tired, right?
Exactly. Pace yourself to save energy.
Good tip. What if I feel like stopping early?
Think positive thoughts and remember your goal.
My goal is to finish and feel proud.
That's motivating. You've got this, Emily.
Thanks. Seeing others run helps too.
Community here is supportive. Join us anytime.
I will. Now let's line up at the start.
Okay, stretch your legs one more time.
Done. Heart's pounding, but I'm ready.
Go for it. I'll see you at the end.
Wish me luck. Here we go.
Good luck. Run strong and steady.
Thanks, Alex. Your words boost my confidence.
Midway through, during the run.
Whew, this is getting tough at kilometer 2.
Hey, first time running 5K? You look determined.
Yes, it is. My legs are starting to ache.
Keep going. We're halfway there almost.
How do you stay motivated when tired?
I listen to upbeat music in my head.
Like imagining a fun song?
Yeah, or think about the finish line reward.
Reward? Like a big ice cream after?
Exactly. Small treats help push through.
I'm feeling better talking to you.
Mutual encouragement works wonders on runs.
What's your secret for not giving up?
Break it into smaller goals, like next tree.
Okay, to that oak tree ahead.
You got it. One step at a time.
Thanks, Tom. This chat is helping.
No problem. Let's pick up the pace a bit.
All right, but not too fast for me.
Steady wins the race, remember?
True. I'm glad we met here.
Me too. Keep breathing evenly now.
In and out, feeling the rhythm.
You're doing awesome. Almost to kilometer 3.
Crisis point. Mid-run struggle.
Dad, I'm at KM4 and so tired.
Dad? Emily, honey, what's wrong? Talk to me.
I want to quit. My body hurts everywhere.
Don't give up now. You've come so far.
But my legs feel like jelly.
Remember why you started this challenge.
To prove I can do hard things?
Yes, and you can. Take deep breaths.
Okay, inhaling now. It helps a little.
Good. Walk if you need, then run again.
Walking sounds better than stopping completely.
Exactly. Persistence is key, my girl.
Persistence? Like keep trying no matter what?
Right. You've got that in you.
Thanks, Dad. Your words make me stronger.
I'm proud of you already. Finish strong.
I will. Just one more KM left.
You can do it. Call me after.
Okay. Love you, Dad.
Love you too. Go get that finish line.
All right. Starting to jog again now.
That's my fighter. You've got this.
Feeling motivated. Thanks for the pep talk.
Anytime. Now run.
Crossing the finish. Victory moment.
I did it! Crossed the 5K finish line.
Sarah, you made it. I'm so proud.
Thanks, Sarah. That was incredibly hard.
But you finished strong. How do you feel?
Exhausted, but victorious. My heart is racing.
Come here for a big hug.
Hugging you now. This feels amazing.
What was the toughest part of the run?
Kilometer 4, when I almost quit.
You pushed through. That's true strength.
Yeah, and all the prep helped too.
Totally. Let's get you some water now.
Yes, please. Thirsty after all that.
Here, drink up. You earned it.
Gulping it down. Refreshing.
Now, tell me your favorite moment. Meeting Tom and getting encouragement midway. Sounds fun. Running builds great connections.
It does. I feel empowered now.
You should. Celebrate with ice cream later?
Yes, best idea ever.
Awesome. You inspire me, Emily.
Thanks. We did this together in spirit.
Evening reflection. Lessons learned.
Hi, Lisa. I completed my first 5K today.
Wow, Emily, congratulations. How was the experience?
Tough, but rewarding. I learned so much.
Tell me about the challenges you faced.
At kilometer 4, I hit a wall mentally.
That's common. How did you overcome it?
Called my dad for encouragement. It worked.
Great strategy. Family support is huge.
What lessons should I take from this?
Listen to your body and celebrate small wins.
Small wins like finishing each kilometer?
Yes, builds momentum for future runs.
What's next? Maybe a 10K someday?
Start with consistent training, add distance slowly.
Okay, and improve my breathing technique.
Absolutely. Practice deep breaths daily.
Thanks, Lisa. Your online tips helped prep.
Glad to hear. Keep tracking your progress.
I will, feeling inspired for more challenges.
That's the spirit. Rest well tonight.
I need it. Sore muscles here.
Ice them if needed. Talk soon.
Bye, Lisa. This chat motivates me more.
Bye. Proud of your achievement.
Emily's journey shows that with determination, anyone can conquer new challenges. Keep running toward your goals.